Hey guys, this is Hector Rodriguez coming at you with another video I see to be very relevant for a lot of us right now during these times that we're living. I know one thing that's crazier than the pandemic itself is how quickly life changed for most of us. So many people are struggling financially or soon to be struggling financially. So many people have been laid off work in hopes of this passing over soon. Unfortunately, none of us really know how sooner or later this is all going to pass over and life is going to get back to normal for us. I want to make this video because, like most of us, I have a lot of time on my hands, and honestly, I just want to make the best use of it. I want to give you some hope. I want to shed some light on you. We are all in this together. We're all going to get on the other side of this thing a lot stronger. I think we're all going to learn something about ourselves, and we're going to continue to thrive as all life is meant to. Whatever emotions you may be feeling right now during these times of so much uncertainty for so many Americans and essentially for the entire world, know that I'm here with you. We're all here with you, and we're here to provide help within reach. So guys, with that being said, I want to give you 3 ways to make a little bit extra cash during these times that we're living right now. These are great ways to make extra cash if you feel like any cash whatsoever from any source would be good for you during these times. These are all things that I've done in the past, and the great thing is that when time passes over, you can still do these things on the side or full-time, however you want, depending on your age. They're always going to be readily available, and they're always going to be a part of the marketplace. So starting out with the first one is driving for Uber or Lyft. So when I thought about this one about a week ago, things weren't so much on a downtrend. So now it doesn't really make sense because, you know, it goes against social distancing, but you can still do Uber delivery, Lyft delivery, I don't know if Lyft does delivery, and waiter food delivery. These businesses are literally booming because people are scared to go out, right? They prefer for someone to bring their food to them, and it's a great way, right? It's a tipping service, and you know, you get your portion from the sale. People want someone to deliver their food to them. So this is a great way to make some extra cash on the side. I've done both Uber driving and Uber food delivery in the past. I did it after I graduated from college because, you know, considering that there was so much of a competitive job market out of college, I did it part-time. Even as an accountant, yes, I went to school to be an accountant. Even as an accountant, when I was working Monday through Friday, I would do it on the weekends just to make a couple $100, and it helped me out tremendously. I honestly enjoyed it because I like to drive. I met a lot of cool people from all walks of life, and from hearing other people's stories, one thing that I learned is that most of us, you know, deal with the same issues, and you know, it goes back to what we're dealing with right now. This is all a hustle. This life is a hustle. Coming up to the second one is flipping on Facebook Marketplace, Letgo, and OfferUp, as others may call it, retail arbitrage. I've actually found a lot of success flipping on these sites because there's always a market for literally everything, right? Let me give you a quick tip on something that actually helped me make a lot of money, more than you would think. And I actually made a video on it, so I'm gonna link it somewhere up here on the card or actually put it down in the description. So make sure you check that video out as well. Guys, there were months where I was literally paying for all my monthly, you know, base bills like utilities, subscriptions, gas, food, with the sales that I made from Facebook Marketplace and Letgo. And like I said, make sure you check out that video. It's unreal that more people don't actually do this. The third one, guys, is essentially like the second one, just a little tweak to it. It's retail arbitrage, right? It's selling on things like Facebook and Letgo, but you're actually selling it on eBay, right? So where do you get these products? You get them at garage sales. Yes, I would actually go to, I didn't do it for very long, but I went to garage sales on, early Friday, Saturday, Sunday mornings, and you know, I would cop things at such a bargain, things that I knew there was a market for, and I would just flip them on eBay. The cool thing about buying at garage sales is that you really do have the leverage before the seller, because essentially they're having that garage sale because they're trying to get some extra money. They're trying to get rid of things. So you have the upper hand in getting a good deal, something that, you know, you can get for such a great deal where you can actually sell it, you know, mark it up on eBay. Honestly, I don't know if I should tell you guys some of the things that were so profitable, more than you think, because it's kind of embarrassing, but to be honest, not really, because it was profitable. I made money off of it, so why not? I'll tell you. Some of the things I sold were stuffed animals, board games. I remember one of the board games I sold, it was like a Texas Hold'em poker, like a really old Texas Hold'em poker game from the 80s. I bought it for $1 and I sold it for $25 within 1 week. And honestly, guys, all of these things, if you want to make a little bit of extra cash, they do take a little bit of effort, you know. No one likes to go to garage sales Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning on their days off to post it on eBay and having to, you know, ship it out. That takes a little bit of effort, but you know, how bad do you want it, right? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. I'm gonna keep it short with y'all. I enjoyed making this. I hope to be making more videos in the future. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like the video or not like the video. And you know, it gives me a little bit of hope personally. And you know, I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna keep getting through these times. And we're all in this together. We really, really are. We're gonna come out so much more stronger. Peace.